If you're a Poppo Live host right now and you're feeling trapped in an agency that's not working for you, I see your messages every single day. How do I leave? My agency ignores my requests. I'm stuck and I don't know what to do. I am an agent myself and I'm going to keep it 100% real with you about how this actually works and what your options really are. First, let me give you the honest truth that most agents won't tell you. The platform's own description states clearly that leaving an agency is prohibited unless you have a valid reason for doing so. Why? Because agencies invest time and resources into training and promoting hosts. The system is designed to protect that investment. But here's what that means for you. You cannot just click a button and leave whenever you want. In most cases, your agent has to approve your departure. Now, there are two specific situations where you can leave automatically without waiting for your agency to approve. Number one, if you joined an agency in the last 7 days and you haven't completed face authentication yet, you can leave freely. The system automatically approves your request. No permission needed. Then secondly, if an agent in your agency has been inactive on Poppo Live for more than 30 days, their hosts can leave with official support. If your agent has completely disappeared, you have grounds to request release. Let's look at the normal process when your agent is active. For everyone else, here's how the normal process works. You open your Poppo Live app and go to Profile. You click Agent Settings or Partnership Info. Look for the option to submit a leave request. You will need to provide a reason. This is the critical part. Your agency must manually approve your request. And here's the problem hosts run into. The agency can simply ignore your request, and there's no automatic timeout that forces approval. If they ignore you, you remain stuck unless you escalate. I've seen hosts wait weeks, months, even with no response. Remember, I mentioned the platform requires a valid reason. Let me break down what actually works. You can actually offer the following as valid reasons, and these may be the reasons that might be accepted by officials. So number one, if you've been harassed or mistreated by your agency, you can actually escalate that. If there hasn't been any payment or there has been withholding of your earnings, you can actually take some screenshots and forward them to the officials. And if there's been any contract violations by the agency, you can actually bring that up. Or if there's been complete inactivity from your agent for the past 30 days plus, you can actually use that as a reason to why you want to leave your agency. Now, what won't probably work is you bringing up excuses like you want higher commissions somewhere else, or you just go like you don't like your agent. And if you have no specific reason, you might not have a way out of your agency. But if you have evidence, screenshots, payment records, messages, keep everything. When you escalate to support, proof is everything. Now, what happens if your agent ignores you? This is the part that frustrates hosts and the most. You submit the request, your agent ignores it. Now what? Your options are limited, but here they are. Number one, use the in-app support. Explain your situation clearly and attach any evidence you have. Be patient, but persistent. Then option two, if you're an Android user, you can file a complaint through the Google Play Store listing. Use the report a concern about this app option. Sometimes this triggers a platform review. What not to do? Do not create a no account while still stuck in an agency. Poppo Live strictly prohibits multiple accounts, and doing this can result in permanent loss of access to all tasks and earnings. Now, I want to circle back to something important because Hosts miss this. If an agent is inactive on Poppo for more than 30 days, their host can leave the agents with official support. This is written in the platform's guidelines. If your agent has vanished, no communication, no support, no presence, you have a legitimate path out. Document the inactivity, screenshot the lack of response, then contact support with that evidence. Also worth noting, if your agent fails to meet activity requirements for more than 2 consecutive weeks, the agency may automatically become inactive. That can also trigger your release. Now, here's what I tell hosts who ask me about this. Before you join an agency, do your research. Talk to hosts that are already in that agency. Ask about payment history, communication, support. Don't rush. If you are already stuck and trying to leave, document everything. Save all communications. Then number 2, follow the proper process first. Submit through the app. Then number 3, if you're ignored, escalate to support with your evidence. Then number 4, be patient but persistent. This can take time. And please don't fall for anyone telling you they can hack the system or get you out fast. Those are usually scams. Look, I made this video because I see too many hosts feeling helpless and trapped. You're not helpless. You just need to understand how the system actually works. If you're in an agency that treats you right, supports your growth, and pays fairly, that's worth staying for. But if you're in a bad situation, now you know your options. Drop a comment if you have questions. I read them, and if this helped you, share it with another host who might need it. Stay safe out there.